Mommy, Caitlin would like to. She like to say thank you too.
ហើយកម្មវិធីពីរទៀតគឺយើងរៀនព្រះធម៌យើងមានកូនសិស្សហើយដែលរៀនអក្សរខ្មែរក៏យើងមានកូនសិស្សចានៅពេលដែលអង្គថ្នាក់យើងនឹងជួយលើកទឹកចិត្តដល់អ្នករៀនធម៌សូមចេញមករៀនសូត្រធម៌នៅទីវត្តយើងហើយក៏រៀនអក្សរខ្មែរទោះបីយើងទៅដល់កន្លែងណាក៏ដោយកាលណាពេលជួបគ្នាខ្មែរដូចគ្នាកាលណានិយាយគ្នាគឺសួរទៅ Where you come from ចាស់ខ្ញុំខំ Cambodia Do you speak Khmer ចាខ្ញុំ speak Khmer We are so proud and they are so proud with you Believe me I'm been there Thank you so much Thank you
នាងខ្ញុំសូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណចំពោះព្រះសង្ឃលោកប្រធាននិងសមាជិកនៃពុទ្ធិកសមាគមខ្មែរសម្រាប់អាហារូបករណ៍នេះនាងខ្ញុំសូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណផងដែរចំពោះលោកគ្រូអ្នកគ្រូដែលបានបង្រៀនភ្លេងនិងរបាំបុរាណខ្មែរដល់នាងខ្ញុំមានកិត្តិយសណាស់ដែលបានទទួលអាហារូបករណ៍នេះហើយនាងខ្ញុំនឹងប្រើប្រាស់វាសម្រាប់ការសិក្សារបស់ខ្ញុំនៅពេលដែលខ្ញុំចូលរៀននៅមហាវិទ្យាល័យ Honors College នៃសាកលវិទ្យាល័យ Maryland ក្រុមកម្មវិធីមូលវិទ្យាសាស្ត្រ Pre-Medical នាងខ្ញុំនឹងខិតខំសិក្សាឲ្យបានជោគជ័យ
Good job.
I would like to thank the monks, the presidents, and the members of the Cambodian Buddhist Society for this scholarship opportunity. I would also like to thank the teachers who taught me classical dance and music here. I'm honored to receive this scholarship and I will use it for my studies when I attend the University of Maryland Honors College under the pre-med track. I will study hard and become successful. Thank you.
Thank you, Caitlin. Alicia, would you like to say some words?
I would like to say thank you to the Cambodian Buddhist Society for giving me this scholarship. I'm very grateful, and I would like to say thank you to my Nekru, my Lokru, for letting me to grow as a dancer and being involved in the Khmer community.
We are so proud of you, ladies.
ខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណចំពោះលោកឪពុកអ្នកម្ដាយមានលោកមីងបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបានមកជួបជុំថ្ងៃនេះដើម្បីប្រារព្ធពិធីបុណ្យចូលឆ្នាំខ្មែររបស់យើងនៅក្នុងទីវត្តអារាមនេះហើយក៏សូមអរគុណចំពោះ staff ចំពោះ team work ចំពោះគណៈកម្មការទីវត្តព្រះសង្ឃទាំងអស់គឺខំប្រឹងប្រែងណាស់ដែលធ្វើឲ្យនៅក្នុងទីវត្តយើងមានសុខភាពល្អខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណដោយអស់ពីដួងចិត្តក្នុងតំណាងកុលចរលទាំងអស់គ្នាទាំងអ្នកគ្រូលោកគ្រូក៏សូមអរគុណចំពោះព្រះសង្ឃគ្រប់ព្រះអង្គហើយសូមអរគុណគណៈកម្មការទាំងលោកប្រធាននិងអីទាំងអស់គឺថាខំប្រឹងប្រែងទាំងយប់ទាំងថ្ងៃហើយក៏សូមជូនពរលោកឪពុកអ្នកម្ដាយញាតិមិត្តបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមទទួលពរនៅអាយុវណ្ណៈសុខៈពលៈនិងសូមឲ្យមានជោគជ័យក្នុងជីវិតនិងនៅក្នុងអនាគត Happy New Year Happy New Year Happy New Year Happy New Year Thank you so much so enjoy we will have performance we have fight done and one music Thank you Thank you Thank you
បន្ទាប់មកនេះយើងខ្ញុំមានសេចក្តីរំភើបនិងបង្ហាញនៅជូនកម្មវិធីសម្ដែងសិល្បៈវប្បធម៌របស់យើងដើម្បីចាប់ផ្ដើមយើងនឹងមានភ្លេងសំពះគ្រូភ្លេងសំពះគ្រូជាភ្លេងប្រពៃណី
បានហើយនៅក្រោមហ្នឹង
Thank សូមអរគុណបន្ទាប់មកនេះខ្ញុំសូមជូននៅរបាំទី1របាំទេពមនោរម្យ Dance of the Daenerys របាំទេពមនោរម្យជារបាំមួយស្ថិតក្នុងចំណោមរបាំពិសេសជាច្រើនទៀតបបរៈដូនតាខ្មែរតែងតែជ្រើសរើសជាដង្វាយដ៏គប់ប្រសើរសម្រាប់ថ្វាយអាទិទេពនានាក្នុងពិធីបួងសួងសុំទឹកភ្លៀងនិងពិធីបួងសួងផ្សេងសូមឲ្យបានសេចក្តីសុខសុភមង្គលដល់សង្គមជាតិមាតុភូមិជាដើមរបាំនេះជារបាំមួយដែលបកស្រាយនៅមនោសញ្ចេតនាសប្បាយរីករាយសុភមង្គលរបស់មនុស្សជាតិនាំគ្នារាំលេងកម្សាន្តគៀងគូវល់ពិនពុនពេកគៀក្រឡាស់ដៃដោយក្តីសប្បាយសុខមនោរម្យ
Our first dance performance is Robam Pip Monorom, or Dance of the Deities. This dance is one of the premier dances among all of the classical dances. It has always been chosen to express gracious offerings to the deities for bountiful rainfalls, so important to a traditionally agricultural country. This dance depicts blessings from the heaven, bestowing upon the earth peace and prosperity to all. This dance expresses the Khmer spirit of compassion, peace, and joy. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy our first dance performance.
Thank Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
Give them another round of applause. ខ្ញុំនឹងសូមរៀបរាប់ឈ្មោះរបស់ dancer Pauline Adams Srunjay Rachana Chai Pisay Aim Airlani Haverson Tida Hoover She actually wearing crown made by custom and music student her mom so Paul say Chin Yulin Jackson Elisa Anong Pan Rita Ben Aaron Watana Soy Sovanika Tan Please give them another round of applause. Thank you so much, dancer. You are beautiful. You may exit now. Thank you. Next, Robam Bopha Lokay. Flower of the World Dance. That's for our little tiny dancer. របាំបុប្ផាលោកីជារបាំមួយដែលបង្កើតឡើងជាពិសេសសម្រាប់ក្មេងៗដើម្បីហាត់និងដកយកបទពិសោធន៍ក្នុងការបត់បែនដងខ្លួនក្បាលដៃជើងនិងម្រាមដៃម្រាមជើងជាដើមម្យ៉ាងទៀតចម្រៀងនៅក្នុងរបាំនេះរៀបរាប់សរសើរអំពីសម្រស់របស់ផ្កាដែលស្អាតព្រាបបានសម្រស់និងភាពបរិសុទ្ធរបស់កុមារីនិងស្ត្រីខ្មែរ
The second dance performance is Robam Bopha Lokay, or Flowers of the World Dance. This dance was created specifically for our young performers in the Cambodian court dance repertoire. This dance provides young students the foundation and experience in moving and swaying their bodies, heads, waists, arms and hands, fingers and toes to the musical and rhythmic accompaniment of the classical instrument ensemble. Please welcome our dancers to the stage. Chia sấy kanya cha cha, rong nia ke tai so sa chom poru bopha, kon long hap long sut ba, mok chom tritra ke yo lum o, kai của chân trong dược mà khóm chia phun luôn Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
ប្រុសស្រីប្រាថ្នាយកមកតាតែងកាយាព្រោះក្លិនសោភាបង្កើតសេរីពុផាពុស្រោបជ័យហាដូចជាស្រីកញ្ញាឆាឆាយក្រុមគ្នាគេតែងសរសើរចំពោះរូបពុផាកំឡុងហាក្នុងសួនច្បារបោកចំព្រាប្រាគ្រៀបយកលំអការីគួចិនចង់ចង់យកមកក្រងជាភូមិលំអ
Let's give one more big round of applause to our amazing young dancers. And especially the dance moms backstage too, please. Give them a round of applause. Okay, Elsa Von Brooks. Alaya Cameron. Avery Mouth. Amara Nak Young, Yuna Paul, and Dylanette Prasad. Thank you, ladies.
You may exit. Thank you, thank you. Don't they look adorable? I want to eat them all. If that's legal. Next, we would like to show Robam Swa Prathom ស្វាប្រធមគឺជាប្រភេទក្បាច់បាតរបស់តួអង្គហនុមានស្វាប្រធមគឺបង្ហាញនៅចរិតពិតៗរបស់សត្វពាហនៈភាពក្រមាច់ក្រមើមរួមបញ្ចូលនឹងការពុតហាត់ដងខ្លួនរាងកាយនិងអវយវៈឲ្យមានសភាពរឹងមាំស្វាហាប់ទៅតាមសភនភាពនិងលក្ខណៈសំខាន់មួយនៅក្នុងតួអង្គហនុមានជាពិសេសទៅទៀតស្វាប្រធមរួមបញ្ចូលនៅក្បាច់បាតមួយចំនួនទៀតដែលសិស្សប្រុសគ្រប់រូបត្រូវចេះមុននឹងទៅរៀនរបាំផ្សេងទៀតរបាំនេះគេតែងតែសម្ដែងគ្រប់កាលៈទេសៈមិនរើសពេលវេលាឡើយ
Next up is Robam Sva Prathom, or Foundations of the Monkey Dance. The monkey character is one of the major roles found in Khmer classical dance, along with the male, the female, and the giant characters. This particular monkey dance is taught to young boys as they begin to learn basic dance movements. This dance is a foundation that later will develop into a more intricate and advanced level of dancing. It provides core movements and techniques for the monkey character and prepares young male performers with the strength, agility, and playfulness needed to portray the monkey. Choreography and movements from the style are used for dance performances featuring Hanuman, the White Monkey King, who is head of Rama's army, and the battle between Rama and Ravana as told in the Ramayana story. Please welcome our male monkey dancers to the stage.
monkeys, you can come back. Good job, boys. Spare, take a bow. Good job. Our first dancer, Chakraval Maxwell J. Jordan Doherty. Liam Mol Hernandez. Nico Mol Hernandez. Oliver Jameson Wang. Xavier Locke Wang. Aaron Nayang. Thank you, boys. You may exit. I always want to tell the story. You know the monkeys. And you see they itching? They don't have shampoo and body wash. Can somebody volunteer some? Because they're very itchy. They have fleas and ticks. So we need to send them some shampoo and body wash. បន្ទាប់មកសូមភ្លេងពិណពាទ្យ
This was not a construction company to come and do this. It was the moms and the dads that came and washed and cleaned the stage and did this. Okay, and then thank you to all the parents that bring your child to class every Sunday. I know some of us will say it's a chore to bring them to come here every day, but as a former young student here, I want to tell you, I now appreciate that my parents made the effort to bring me to this program, because you know what? Here I am today. I came back to be part of the community, to be part of our culture, so that we can continue to flourish, continue to have a program here. And if, I'm going to wrap up because it looks like they're about done. Did you get any? Yeah. And if they're about to wrap up, but I want to say a few words, because if you like what we're doing here, if you appreciate what we're doing here, we are accepting donation in the back. We have a volunteer, his name is March, and he can take your donation into our, he's right there. Thank you, March. He accepts donation over there for us, and this will be supporting all of our programs. Thank you so much. Look at this beautiful setup, everyone. Are we ready? Yes. I'm going to hand it back to the beautiful MCs over here.
We have a distinguished guest with us here today to share some remarks. I would like to welcome County Executive Mark Elrich to the stage.
Nah. No.
Hello? Hello? Okay, I guess like this. I'll figure this out. So it's the day. Congratulations. Happy holiday. This is really important in this community. And I'm really happy that I can be here to join you. I've been coming to these events for a few years now, and it is amazing how many people who are here. I don't think I've ever seen New Hampshire Avenue parked up like it is right now. You've brought together an astounding number of people, and it's great to see all of you here together. I'm the county executive of Montgomery County, and we're happy to celebrate the Khmer New Year celebration. It's a time that's happening at the same time as the Pali New Year, Thai New Year, Baisakhi New Year, and various South Asian New Year celebrations. And we just finished the other Asian celebrations for people in China and Taiwan and places like that. So this is a time of festivities for a lot of people in Asia. My government has actually been to Asia a number of times. We've been to Vietnam, India, Taiwan, 3 times, Korea twice, Thailand once, and we're continuing to go over there looking for opportunities to help their economies expand in the United States and help American companies find partners in their countries. So we're trying to build two-way trade relationships so everybody has an opportunity to prosper and be more successful. You're in Montgomery County. This is one of the most diverse counties in the entire United States. We're the most diverse when it comes to religion. There is no place in the United States with as much diversity in religion as Montgomery County has. And the population here has gone from being 95% white in 1970 to 16% Asian today, 21% black, 22% Hispanic, and the white community is somewhere around 41-42%. So we are a remarkably different community over the last 50 years, and we've welcomed many people to take part in Montgomery County, to find a home in Montgomery County, and to find opportunities here. The county's elected its first county council member that's Asian. We have our first Asian police chief. We have our first Asian sheriff, and we have our first Asian school board member. And this is a sign that the Asian community, you all are getting recognized and beginning to get opportunities in the county government unlike any time before. We look forward to greater engagement from the Asian community and more success in the work you do here. I also want to acknowledge any of you who work for the federal government. I want to acknowledge my sympathy for what you must be going through right now. It is not right what the man in Washington is doing.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
He is not president of all the people of the United States. He has no intention of being your president. He's the president of white people and white people only. And I'm not confused about that. This will not last forever, and we will endure. But we've all got to stick together. That's one of the great things about Montgomery County. Where all the diverse communities work with each other and stick together with each other, we can be stronger, we can help protect each of you, and make sure that you're safe in Montgomery County. Montgomery County will not do the things he asks us to do. We're going to continue to celebrate diversity. We're going to continue to have policies to make sure that our workforce looks like Montgomery County. When you go into offices and you go, whether it's a library or a county office or the police department or a fire department, you should be able to see people look like you. You should feel that you're represented in the things we do in Montgomery County. And we're going to make sure you continue to feel that way. We are not going to back down. We are fortunate that his authority on things where we spend our money is limited. And so most of what we do is with Montgomery County dollars, and Montgomery County dollars are going to be used to support Montgomery County's history, tradition, and what we want to do in this county moving forward. We're going to build on our community partnerships. We're going to make sure that everybody feels included, and we're going to make sure we continue to build ties not only with our local Asian community, but also with the communities across the Pacific, because a lot of you have ties back there. And I'll say before I close out that the Asian community has been our best ambassadors when we go on these trips, because we always bring people in Montgomery County who came from Thailand or India or from Vietnam or from Taipei or from Korea, and they talk about why they live in Montgomery County and why they feel welcome here, and they encourage other businesses to look at locating here, because this is a place where if you come here, you're going to feel like you're part of the community. We want to make sure you continue to feel that way. Happy holiday to all of you. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to speak. And you have an amazing crowd you put together today. It's really great to see all this. So I'm going to present a proclamation. It says, whereas Montgomery County is home to a multitude of cultures, language, and traditions from around the world, and whereas the Asian American and Pacific Islander community is one of the fastest growing communities in Montgomery County, represented over 16% of the total population, and continues to make innumerable contributions to economic, cultural, and civic life in Montgomery County. And whereas the Cambodian community is celebrating the Khmer New Year from April 13th to April 16th and is engaging in a period of celebration, and whereas festivities across the counties will showcase the richness of the Cambodian culture and highlight the importance of family togetherness. Now therefore do I, Mark Elwiches County Executive, hereby proclaim April 13th to April 16th, 2025 as Khmer Week in Montgomery County, and I encourage residents to join me in recognizing the contributions of the Cambodian community and take part in celebrations across the county.
probably got me yelling.
I edited it out.
Đi bắt.
Bây giờ đó. Talented musicians. Molly Bala. Sopak Chun. Savan Hoover. Jaden Mia Hun. Dorian Prasad. Kusal Say. Sapal Say. Amanda Sim. Jayan Khan. Saranai Vargas. Ramacio Vargas. Erica Yarborough. Jack Raval Maxwell Che. And John Kola Nay Che. And Thompson. Thank you all so much. As our musicians transition off the stage, I'd like to share some background about the Cambodian Buddhist Society. You heard a little bit from Ming Natalie earlier. In 1978, the organization established the first Cambodian Buddhist temple in the United States. Do you all know that? Who was here? I think there might be some uncles and grandpas who were here to help found this organization. The headquarters of the society is called Wat Budi Karam, also known as the Cambodian Buddhist Temple of Silver Spring, Zambia. Anybody here from Silver Spring? Born and raised? Okay. In addition to continuing the work of the Cambodian Buddhist religion, CBS aims to preserve Cambodian culture by offering programs in the arts and culture. The Cultural Committee of the Cambodian Buddhist Society, also known as CBSCC, provides programs to ensure cultural preservation and community building in the DMV region and beyond. So as Natalie mentioned, any of you who are interested in learning and being part of the classical dance ensemble, whether it's you yourself or maybe even your kids or grandkids or nieces and nephews, invite them to the temple Sundays all day. I know I'm a parent of two monkeys here. It is a wonderful time to be in community with one another and to be able to showcase this every new year. So for over 30 years, CBSCC has strived to share and cultivate the unique traditions and heritage of Cambodian culture. As you heard Vathani mention, this year is about 50 to 60 students. The programs aim to educate the community on Cambodian customs and culture through social and instructional activities such as language classes, cultural dance, and the beautiful music classes if you're interested. The programs are designed to be a welcoming and safe place to explore our culture and allow for the development of the Cambodian American identity for generations to come. So now, back to the show. Right?
No, it's still good.
ចារបាំបន្ទាប់មកគឺជារបាំមរតកវប្បធម៌របាំមរតកវប្បធម៌ជារបាំចំណងដៃមួយដែលរៀបរៀងឡើងដោយអ្នកគ្រូសុទ្ធម៉ាលីដល់សិស្សនៃវត្តពុទ្ធការាមផ្នែកវប្បធម៌ដែលខិតខំហាត់រៀនដោយការយកចិត្តទុកដាក់ពុកម៉ាទាំងឡាយសប្បាយរីករាយក្នុងការថែរក្សាមរតកវប្បធម៌របស់ខ្លួនក្នុងនេះចលនានីមួយបានបង្ហាញពីភាពរស់រវើកនៃរបាំក្បាច់បុរាណខ្មែរដែលបព្វបុរសបានបន្សល់ទុកអ ហើយព្រមទាំងបង្កប់នៅអត្តន័យជ្រាលជ្រៅរបស់កុមារដ៏ស្រស់បំព្រងនិងចំណងមិត្តភាពដ៏ស្និទ្ធស្នាលមួយសូមកំសាន្តជាមួយរបាំមរតកវប្បធម៌សម្ដែងតើសិស្សថ្នាក់ទី 2 ដូចតទៅ
Our next dance performance is Robam Moradak Vapatol, or the Cultural Heritage Dance. Professor and dance master Sot Somali of the Royal University of the Fine Arts was so inspired by the dedication of our students that before the end of her visit, she and the dance teachers of CBSEC choreographed this dance. This dance portrays children being together happily and preserving Cambodian classical dance heritage. It describes the special attention and the spirit of training required to perfect the intricate and graceful movements of this ancient tradition. This dance has been passed on by our ancestors and continued from generation to generation across the oceans to America to hear us today. Please give a big round of applause to invite the performers to the stage.
Tiếng ống hát tây đi chú trùng đi ròm cầm sang ra bài chú trùng đi ròm cầm sang ra bài em miên người này cha nhai phần con mơ cầm kia cầm riêng ra tuân tôm để róm rắm nông em bó ra nhiều lông tâm đồn ta bó ra nhiều lông tâm đồn ta lô ba riêng xa chia kê áp phố đông hoặc phố đỏ rung lươn ông non nia đi tiếng ống hát tây chú trùng kia rôm cầm sang sa bài chú trùng kia rôm cầm sang sa bài em miên người này cha nhai phần con mơ non kia cầm riêng xa hát bàn tuôn tôm ơi đi róm lòng lòng em đã ra nhiều lòng tâm đồn ta bỏ ra nhiều lòng ដំណើរដូនតាលោកបានរៀងសាជាគេមរតកវប្បធម៌ដ៏រុងរឿង
Aren't they beautiful? So pretty. You guys did a really good job. I would like to introduce our dancer, Ariana Bala, John Kalamay J, Samaya Mo Hernandez, Casey Kuhn, Raya Pin, Soria Pin, Cha Akan, Jamiblia. Thank you, beautiful dancer. Smile. Okay, last but not least, Robam Reksmay Dungjan. This is my favorite dance. You know why? Dance of the Moonlight. I love them all, but this is my favorite. Reksmay Dungjan. Robamនេះឆ្លុះបញ្ចាំងនៅការកោតសរសើរចំពោះសម្រស់របស់ដួងច័ន្ទដែលបាននាំពន្លឺដល់ត្រចះត្រចង់មកបំភ្លឺរាត្រី ពន្លឺដ៏ស្រទន់នេះបានមកលួងលោមចិត្តអ្នកទាំងឡាយឲ្យមានក្តីសង្ឃឹមនាពេលដែលគេកំពុងឆ្លងកាត់ជីវិតដ៏ពោរពេញទៅដោយទុក្ខព្រួយនិងភ័យខ្លាចចម្រៀងនេះនិពន្ធដោយលោកឯកស៊ីដេដែលជាអ្នកចម្រៀងដ៏ល្បីនៅស្រុកប្រទេសកម្ពុជា Sorry នៅប្រទេសកម្ពុជា បាច់រៀបរៀងដោយអ្នកគ្រូសូម៉ាលីដែលជាសាស្ត្រាចារ្យនៃសាកលភូមិន្ទវិចិត្រសិល្បៈនៅប្រទេសកម្ពុជាសម្លៀកបំពាក់និងគ្រឿងអលង្ការរៀបចំដោយលោកគ្រូសុជាតាអឹងនៅវត្តពុទ្ធការាមលោកគ្រូសុជាតាអឹងក៏បានទទួលរង្វាន់កិត្តិយសជាអំណោយជាតិសម្រាប់បេក្ខភណ្ឌសិល្បៈនៅឆ្នាំមុន
And our final dance performance is Robam Reksmay Dungjan, or the dance of the moon's light, Corby's favorite. This dance expresses the admiration of the moonlight as it is perfectly brilliant and brings light to the night. This gentle, bright aura brings forth comfort and peace to all souls in its presence. Life's struggles, pain, and fear subside when the lovely moon emerges to comfort the heart. This song was written by the celebrated singer Ike Side. His details of love for the moon touches everyone's heart. Dance choreography by Master Suk Somali from the University of Fine Arts in Cambodia. Costumes and jewelry by our very own Lokru Sochita Ong, who was honored last year as a National Endowment for the Arts Heritage Fellow. Please welcome our dancers to the stage. Technical difficulty. Thank you for your patience.
ចង់ច្រៀងបទសារកាទៀតទេសារកាកែវអើ No we're not doing that Ada លោកពូសុំសារកា
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ จันทร์เอ๋ยเรียงคือต่อจองดวงจันทร์โผล่
Adam, Jessica Gia, Nicole Chim, Julie Torn, Kylie Farr, Melina Mao, Anita Luke, Jessica Om, Alicia Pin. Thank you, ladies. We welcome all the dancers to the stage.
For our finale, we would like you to say something with them at the end, which is to a stage and tonight.
Let's clap. Put your hands together.
That's their favorite fan. We would like to take this time to acknowledge all the people who made today happen. Thank you to Chairman of the Culture Committee, Ms. Natalie Chon. Vice Chair of the Culture Committee and State Leader, Mr. Prasid. Art Director, Dance Master Masadi Mani. Music Director, Music Master Nghĩa Chum. Assistant Art Director, Watana Soy. Dance and Music Instructors, Kalarat Blush Sek. Buthirat Sek. Lộc Crew Buthirat Secheta Ang Lộc Crew Secheta Ang Sum Kim Guest musicians Samu Man Sukno Joanna Picari Teachers Assistants Everett Bloomer There he is Rachana Chai Elizabeth Kuhn Anong Khan Bopharat Beth Ratapo Get Manida Sam. She said she's the gold cake. Krusa Chai cake. Original.
And our founding teacher, Nekru Sini. And last but not least, we would like to express our deepest appreciation and gratitude to all the moms, dads, grandparents, aunts and uncles, and so many important volunteers that worked incredibly hard throughout the year to ensure the success of today's performance.
Mom, show your face.
Come on, moms, I see you. I see you, moms. Yes, raise your hand.
Okay, shine, Mom.
Come on.
This is your hard work.
Let's go.
All year.
Anyone backstage? Come on out. Backstage. Backstage, come on out. As you can see here, it takes a village to build this beautiful community. Now this concludes our program, but before you go, don't forget the raffle ends at 4 p.m., not 3 p.m. So make sure you see March in yellow there. Raise your hand. Who's going to be your favorite person? All right? Yeah, okay, come on, Mom. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. In the front.
សួស្តីឆ្នាំថ្មី